Welcome back to InfyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to solve one very interesting rational equation problem. Equation is 2x minus 9 over x minus 4 whole square plus 2x minus 9 over x minus 5 whole square equal to 48. So let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be 0. So answer can't be 4 and 5. Now I will divide our equation both sides by 4. Now this 4 we can write 2 square. So I will write our equation once. 1 over 2 square times 2x minus 9 over x minus 4 whole square plus 1 over 2 square times 2x minus 9 over x minus 5 whole square equal to 48 over 4. Now here we have x minus 4 whole square in the denominator and this is 2 whole square. So we can club these two bases. 2 times x minus 4 the complete square. So we will write 2x minus 9 over 2 times x is 2x, 2 times minus 4 is minus 8 and then we will put whole square. Similarly here we will write 2x minus 9 over 2x minus 10 whole square. RHS will be 12. Now we can assume 2x minus 9 equal to a. So we can write 2x minus 8 will be a plus 1 and 2x minus 10 will be a minus 1. Let's apply these values to our equation. We will get a over a plus 1 whole square plus a over a minus 1 whole square equal to 12. Now I will add the product of these two brackets times 2 to both sides. So I will write here 2 times a over a plus 1 in LHS times a over a minus 1. So same we will add to the RHS 2 times a over a plus 1 times a over a minus 1. Now LHS will give us one identity m square plus n square plus 2mn. We can write a over a plus 1 plus a over a minus 1 whole square. RHS will be 12 plus, we can simplify, we can write 2a square over a plus 1 times a minus 1. Difference of two squares formula is applicable. We will write a square minus 1. Let's simplify this bracket. I can write a square minus a plus a square plus a over a square minus 1 whole square equal to 12 plus 2a square over a square minus 1. Now plus and minus a will be over. So we will write LHS as 2a square over a square minus 1 whole square. Let me write 2a square over a square minus 1 whole square equal to 12 plus 2a square over a square minus 1. Now we can assume 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to m, suppose. So our equation will be quadratic in m. M square equal to 12 plus m. Or I can write m square minus m minus 12 equal to 0. Now we will use quadratic formula. Let me write here m equal to minus b. So I will write in capital letters plus minus the square root of b square minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. So as per our equation, I can write the value of a, b and c. A is 1, b is negative 1, c is minus 12. Let's apply the values. We will get 1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1, plus minus. The square root of minus 1 square is 1. Minus 4 times 1 times minus 12 will give us plus 48. Divided by 2 times 1, so 2. This will be equal to 1 plus minus the square root 49 over 2. Remember our substitution, m is 2a square over a square minus 1. Let me write the value of m. M will be equal to 1 plus minus square root 49 is 7 over 2. So we can write m equal to 1 plus 7 over 2, 1 minus 7 over 2. Or I can write here 8 over 2 is 4, minus 6 over 2 is minus 3. M was 2a square over a square minus 1. So I can write 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 4 and 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to negative 3. Let's solve this equation first. We will cross multiply. We can write 2a square equal to 4 times a square minus 1 or 2a square equal to 4a square minus 4, or we can write 2a square will be equal to 4, a square will be equal to 2, a will be equal to plus minus square root 2. Remember, a was our substitution, 2x minus 9. Now we will solve this second equation, 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to negative 3. 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to negative 3. Again we will cross multiply. We can write 2a square equal to minus 3 times a square minus 1. So I will write 2a square will be equal to minus 3a square plus 3, or I can write 5a square will be equal to 3. After dividing by 5 both sides, we will write a square will be equal to 3 over 5. Now we can consider square root both sides to get the value of a. So we can write plus minus root 3 over root 5. Now I can rationalize our denominator. So I can multiply here with root 5. So in the numerator, now root 3 times root 5 will be equal to root 15. So we'll write plus minus the square root 15 over root 5 times root 5 is 5. So we have 4 solutions basically. Let me write here a equal to plus minus square root 2 and plus minus root 15 over 5. Now a was 2x minus 9. So I will write 2x minus 9 equal to plus minus square root 2 plus minus square root 15 over 5. Now we will add 9 to both sides. So let us write here plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So I can write LHS as 2x only. Plus and minus 9 will be over. Here I will write 9 plus minus square root 2. Here I will write 9 plus minus square root 15 over 5, or we can write 2x equal to 9 plus minus square root 2, and here I will take LCM. 45 plus minus square root 15 with common denominator 5. Now we will divide both sides by 2 to get our final answer. So let us divide both sides by 2. I will write divided by 2 times 2 in the denominator. So we will get x equal to 9 plus minus square root 2 over 2 and 45 plus minus square root of 15 divided by 2 times 5 will be 10. So these are our final answers, solutions. I hope friend you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.